All right, y'all, welcome back to another video here on the Wild Feather Farm channel. Today's video, we're working in the garden. So I planted some potatoes last month. We're in May now. It's actually Memorial Day weekend, and I just put the whole potato in the ground a couple inches down, nothing fancy. So they came up pretty good. I'll show them to you here in a minute. And all I'm doing this year is I'm just putting straw on top of them and around them, packing it around. And we've gotten plenty of rain and moisture so far this year. It's been a good growing season. But of course, we haven't gotten to the dry days yet. You know, July, August, September, through there. So come on out here in the garden. I'll show you what I've got going on, and hopefully you can learn something today from it. All right, so here we are in the garden. You see I got some cabbage planted here, and some potatoes, a little bit of onions. You know, Lord, I got some weeding to do, but potatoes are doing pretty good. So real happy with them so far, and it goes on down through there. This is a full 50-pound bag of potatoes. One potato about every 7 inches or so. I've already started putting straw out, and then I said, man, I better go get the camera so I can show people how we're going to have an awesome yield of potatoes this year. So all I do is spread the straw on top. You can see here where I come back through and just pack it down around, and I'll keep layering it. I'll probably do this 2 more times until it flowers, and then just leave it be. So hang out with me for a while. We're going to do the rest of the row here and get it all packed around and see how it does. Huh? Yep, it's starting to rain. That's good for the potatoes. And the peppers and everything else we got going on around here. Did you want to come help? All right, come on.
I got my boots on.
You got your boots on?
Yeah.
Good job.
Even I got my unicorn shirt on.
Your unicorn shirt.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, let's see what Miss Emerson's wearing today.
I'm just gonna go on right.
Okay. Good morning, Emerson. Tell everybody hi.
Hi.
All right.
These are big potatoes.
Yeah, they are. Watch the cabbage plants. They're not real big, but
Now they're real, because this one is something eating it.
I know.
Oh, Dad. Yesterday I saw a rabbit eating your stuff here.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Okay. Well, here, let me teach you how we're going to do this, okay?
Are you going to take some hay and like put it all around?
Yep. Huh? You could just do a little bit at a time, honey. You ain't got to do it all.
That's what you're doing.
Well, because I got bigger hands.
Dad, look, I can lift the hay up.
Yeah, you can.
I'm stronger.
Yeah, you're stronger. Ooh, you're strong.
Yeah, I'm pretty strong.
Okay. Now we need to go back through and just find the green and take the straw and put around the potato. Okay. Let me see if I can get Emerson to hold the camera for us.
I'll hold it.
Can you hold the camera for me, honey?
Sure.
All right. Here, and just put it on me so that way people can see what I'm doing, okay?
Okay.
All right. Just like right here. Okay, so what I do is I come down and I just find the green. Show them the green. See, I find the green and I just take that straw and I just put it around that potato, just like that. Because these potatoes, they'll come back up.
Yeah, hopefully they
Through
will.
that straw.
Dad, camera's still not coming on.
It's okay, honey.
I turn back on?
It's okay.
Not turn back on.
Yeah. That's just how GoPro does it. It might be a setting in the camera.
Yeah. Why does it beep like that?
I don't know.
It's
We gotta get these daggone potatoes done, because then
it's gonna be raining.
it's gonna rain. We gotta plant our tomatoes that we got yesterday from Miss D.
Dad, something's eating this cabbage off.
Yep. Whew, we still got a long ways to go, don't we?
Yeah. Dad, there's a bee.
That's okay.
And they're landing on your back. Actually, that was a bumblebee.
Yeah.
Bumblebees don't bite.
Here, look. Emerson. Keep the camera on me, honey, so that way people can see what's going on here.
Okay.
As I'm working the field of potatoes.
Dad, we still got a long way to go.
Yep, that's okay. We'll have to sing us a song.
Why?
Pass the time by. What songs do you know?
I don't know the pretty songs.
No?
Yeah. I don't know any songs.
I don't know. Well, what do you want to talk about? Anything you want to talk about?
No.
Okay.
Dad,
What?
when I get old enough, can I have my own GoPro?
Well, I'm sure you can. You know what? I'm just thinking about this. They should make a pink GoPro.
Yeah.
Maybe if we get enough people talking about a pink GoPro,
Did
they'll
they?
make one.
Yeah.
That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah.
And that way you can have your own GoPro and do your own channel when you get old enough.
Yeah.
See? We're already finding something to talk about as we sit here and work the potatoes.
Yeah.
So a pink GoPro.
Yeah. Pink is actually my favorite.
It is.
Yeah.
All right.
This is my favorite.
Well, you know what? I'm going to share this video with GoPro.
I love a lot of colors.
Yeah?
Even I like black too.
I'm going to share this video with GoPro after we get done, get it uploaded and all that, and let them know that Miss Emersyn, who's 4 years old at the time, would like to have a pink GoPro.
Now we're almost to the end of the stick.
Yep. We sure are. We're getting these potatoes done, aren't we?
Yeah. Bugs is going in my eyes.
Bugs, I got sweat going in my eyes. Whew.
This for Mama.
Man, I love potatoes though.
Me
Fried
too.
potatoes, scalloped potatoes, mashed potatoes.
Yeah, and I love potatoes too.
French fries, hash browns.
I love hamburgers too.
Well, all right. Thank you, Emersyn, for taking over the video piece.
Okay.
All right, y'all, we did it. We have straw the potatoes again. So, like I said, I'll do this 2 more times, and the idea behind it is you just come in to your potato, move the straw around, then you find your potato here and you just pull it off and cover it back up, and that way you don't have to harvest all of your potatoes at one time. You can just take what you need. So, as many of you know, we have a farm market here on the farm, open every Saturday from 10 to 3, and I would like to be able to harvest a bowl of potatoes for the customers, and if we needed more, well, we just come out here and harvest them real quick and take them back to the market and sell them. So anyhow, well, that's a video, y'all. In today's video, I've learned that Emersyn wants a pink GoPro. So anyway, all right, well, hey, thank y'all so much for watching, and if you ever get a chance, come see us out here at the farm. We'd love to have you, and take care. Are you relaxing?
Yeah.
Wow. Does it feel good?
Yeah. It feels good.
You didn't know I had the camera on, did you?
No.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, I heard it.
Oh, you didn't hear it?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. We got to get back out to the garden so we can get to work. What are we going to work on now?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. All right, deal.
I love tomatoes.
Good. I'm going to grow a lot of them for you. Cheers.